In the heart of the Serengeti, where the land stretches as far as the eye can see, lived a young zebra named Zola. Unlike the other zebras, Zola's stripes held a secret. They shimmered with tiny, magical maps of the stars. The Serengeti was known for the Great Migration, a journey guided by the Great Rhythm. But one day the rhythm went silent, and the animals wandered, lost and confused. Zola felt the change deeply, no longer hearing the steady beat within her heart. A sense of unease spread across the savannah. One morning, as the sun painted the sky gold, Zola met Marabou, an old stork with wise eyes and a crooked beak. "Zola," Marabou said, "your stripes hold a map of the stars. You alone can restart the great rhythm. Collect 3 special notes of the Savannah song to bring the music back," he instructed. The first note was the deep rumble of the elephant matriarch, who held the stories of the land. Zola found her by the river, where elephants gathered. She listened, feeling the rhythm pulse beneath her hooves. She touched her stripes, capturing the deep rumble in her star map. A new pattern glowed on her skin. Next, Zola needed the swift pounce of a cheetah's focus. She raced across the plains in search of it. She spotted a sleek cheetah crouched low, watching her prey with sharp, shining eyes. Zola felt the cheetah's energy as it sprang forward like lightning. That focus was the second note. Again, her stripes glowed, tracing the cheetah's swiftness in a new pattern across her body. The last note was the high-in-the-sky view of a watchful giraffe. Zola looked up in search of the giraffe. Zola saw the graceful giraffe munching leaves far above the trees. The giraffe's long neck let her see everything: safe paths, hidden dangers, and peaceful places. Zola stood quietly nearby, feeling the calm and wisdom in the giraffe's eyes, and her stripes shimmered. With all 3 notes, the rumble, the pounce, and the watchful eyes, Zola's stripes shone brighter than ever. Following the star map on her body, she trotted to the highest hill in the Serengeti. There, under the endless sky, she raised her head and let out a sweet, magical song. Slowly, the great rhythm returned. The grasslands hummed with life once again. Wildebeest and zebras began moving in harmony, guided by the music Zola brought back. The dance of the savannah was restored, and every animal played their part in the beautiful balance. Zola smiled, proud and happy. She had helped bring the entire Serengeti back to life. From that day on, the animals remembered the magic of the savannah song, led by Zola, whose stripes held the stars.